So in this video we're going to do a running stitch. Now a running stitch, it's probably one of the simplest stitches, mostly used in sewing rather than embroidery, but you can use it in embroidery as well. So I'm coming up at the very beginning of that line there, and I'm coming down again however long I want my stitch to be. So generally just a couple of millimeters along that line. I'm going to come up again the same distance away. Okay, so I want it nice and even. So I'm going to come up about the same distance away, and I'm going to go back down same distance again. Okay, so I want it nice and even, and it's just coming up and down like that, sort of like a dotted line or a dashed line, just up and down. So quite a simple stitch. And there you have it. Now, of course, you can play around with that a little bit, have kind of the spaces smaller and the stitches longer to have a different effect, but that's your basic running stitch there.